Personalizations can be done throughout the system. Today we're going to show you how to personalize your purchase invoice screen. Now it's important to note that personalizations are on a user basis, so any adjustments that you make on your user will not affect other users. So let's say you're creating a purchase invoice and there are items that you would think that would be on or that you want to be on the invoice screen, but you're not seeing it. It's possible that you can add it through personalizations. So on the top right corner, you're going to hit your settings icon and then you're going to hit personalize. Once you hit more and then plus field, on the right hand side, you're going to see various fields that you can add. Now on the purchase invoice itself, it's actually two tables. You have your header that has your vendor name and your vendor information, and then you have your line items. So as I move down to the lines, you can see it's now outlined in red. If I go ahead and click down in there, you can see on the right hand side, I now have many more available fields that I can add. So let's just say that I wanted to add the unit of measure code. I'm going to simply take that unit of measure code, I'm going to drag it onto the lines until I can see that red up and down line, and then I'm going to drop, and it's going to drop where that red line is. Now let's say that we wanted to remove it. So if I hover over that field, there's a red triangle. I'm going to click on that triangle and I'm just going to simply hide. Now it's going to take it off of this field and it's going to add it back over here if I wish to add it later. Okay. Now if I want to, throughout the system, there's a show more and show less icon. So if I show more, I can see more fields than what I could see under this show less. So let's pick a field that, let's say this field right here. If I click on the triangle, I don't want this to show when it's a smaller screen. So I am going to only have this show when I select show more. So now it disappeared under my quick window, but when I hit show more, that field is still here. So you can do this throughout the system and it really helps with productivity and making the screen comfortable for you to use.